Okay everybody, so today I'm going to show you, I've been trying to play around with the Bitmojis in order to go ahead and make them to stickers. So if you get the Bitmoji app on your phone, you're able to go ahead and save all the different emojis. So they have a wide variety. I picked a few that I wanted to play around with, so I'm going to show you how to do one of them. So I have the Cricut design space opened up here. You will need to have access to this in order to be able to do this, as well as a machine. So the first step I'm going to go is new project. Once this opens up, I'm going to go to the upload feature. As you can see, I've been playing around with a few of them. I'm going to go into upload image. I'm going to browse. This will automatically open my download. So I'm going to search for Bitmoji because they're all saved as that. So I'm going to select this particular one. So it's going to open up here. I'm going to select complex. The reason for this is because I need to erase this white background or I'm going to have a square sticker. So I'm going to go complex, then press continue. Once I'm here, you see how my cursor becomes a plus sign? I'm just going to go ahead and highlight here. Automatically erased everything that was white. I don't personally like this shadow here for the donut, so I'm going to click here just to go ahead and remove those as well. There is a thin little line there. If you zoom in, you'll be able to kind of click and remove them. I'm not personally going to waste too much time with that because I could just ignore that and it's not going to affect my sticker. So then once I'm done with that and I have all that white screen, I'm going to go to continue. This will be what we'll cut. This is what the actual print is. I'm just going to name this donut and save. And that is the process in order to go ahead and create a actual print and cut image on the Cricut design space. Once I have this, then I will move it over to my template and actually from there work on the size that I would like for it to be in order for me to go ahead and use it as a sticker. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. Bye.